Title: Deep Dark Woods Original Oil, Mixed Medium Ground Glass, on Canvas 11x16. Canadian contemporary nature artist Karen Colville. Artist statement: Deep Dark Woods explores the element of danger with nature. The scene is peaceful, serene. Sometimes we're compelled to run to the dark of the woods, away from all that is safe and familiar, wanting some form of peace in life from pressures and stress of the modern world, as coming to terms with trauma. The colors are a change between seasons. The forest is peaceful and serene, it's changing with light becoming dark, dangerous and terrifying as wilderness can be, calm with increasing the chances of survival. We question and experience the continued cycle of life and death and renewal. The forest is about concealment, and appearances are not to be trusted. Things are not necessarily what they seem and can be dangerously deceptive, when all certainty is absent with the uncertainty of life. It's the forest primeval, true wilderness, symbolic of the deep, dark levels of the psyche. Traumas and trials, failures and secrets, illness and other calamities, how we survive the trials. Karen Colville is a collected Canadian artist, contemporary nature art. She also explores themes of diversity in her work. Her art is also recognized international with an emerging status in the art world. Her art exhibited in the UAE, Art Basel Miami, Zurich Art Basel, 2019. Karen Colville has earned awards and is published in a UK art magazine. Her website: www.aquililightpictures.com. News and archives: www.karencolvilleart.org. Title: Deep Dark Woods Original Oil, Mixed